In this video, I'm going to show you how to send large files on WhatsApp web. So the first thing you want to do is go to WeTransfer.com, and this is the page you're going to be redirected to. And what you want to do over here is get a link to your large file. So you have to scroll down here a little bit, okay? And then click on these blue three dots, and then click on Get Transfer Link. And then you have to upload a file you'd like to send via WhatsApp. So you click on Upload Files. You find a file. In my case, it's going to be a example program, which is, as you'll be able to see right now, 87 megabytes big. And then you just simply click on Get a Link, and then wait for this to be uploaded. Now it should be uploaded quite quickly, since it's not even 100 megabytes for me. And once this process over here reaches 100%, it's gonna start finalizing. And once that's done, you simply click on copy this link. So you copy the link, and then you go to your WhatsApp, into your chat, and then just paste it in via Ctrl and V, or right click and paste. It does not matter, it's the same thing. And then simply send the link. And just like that, you've sent your file that's bigger than the limit of WhatsApp. And now if the recipient clicks on this link, as you can see, they'll be able to download whatever you've just sent them by clicking download, and the program starts downloading, and as you can see, it's downloaded, and I can open it and use it. And that's it.